Following its Coachella unveiling earlier this year, the Lil Yachty x Nike Air Force 1 Low Lucky Green is now officially scheduled for release in the summer of 2025. This colorful collaboration combines striking colors and eye-catching accents to bring Yachty's distinctive style to the classic Air Force 1 shape. In contrast to the University Gold midsole and mid-body, the Lucky Green patent leather paneling on the sneaker instantly draws attention and gives the design a cozy, lively feel. University Red highlights add a vibrant flash of color to the swoosh, outsole, and details, further elevating the overall style. A prominent element of the pair is the Concrete Boys emblem on the heel, which pays homage to Yachty's personal brand and creative collective. By combining these components, the shoe becomes more than just a joint effort, it also reflects Yachty's distinct aesthetic and impact. It is anticipated that the Lil Yachty x Nike Air Force 1 Lucky Green will be available on May 22, 2025.